will talk about how can you enable volume buttons on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here, and just click on account. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on app settings, just click on it here, come here to volume buttons here, just click in this sign here. Now like you see this color show for us, that's mean here volume buttons enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.